Okay, so we're going to be reading the EIS, and I'm not even going to bother showing the connection cables and all that. There is a way to connect to this EIS by soldering to the solder points, but if you are a locksmith, Sprinter is a very good seller. There are a lot of delivery vehicles. People lose keys on those cars all the time. So if you have an account and you can deliver a good, fast job, you will make a lot of money. You just need to do it fast. So to do it fast, you'll get a click and go adapter. And I use it with MBprog, this tool, which is probably one of the fastest one to use it with. But it doesn't matter which programmer you're going to use it with. I will also show how to use it with Autel. And it also is very, very simple. So basically, all you do, the MBprog attaches directly to the adapter, and then ignition goes straight on it. Lock it. I can hold it with my hand. Very easy. It's sometimes too easy. It feels it's too easy. And then, so your ignition is here. So I will start the software on my computer. And I can just close out this update for now. I would select the chip, and it's a Motorola chip. It's HC12, and it's secured processor, and I'm reading the EEprom. It's this HC12 EE. That's the one you want to select. And then you click read. And this is it. You already have the data. Now, one of the problems people call with, and they say, well, I have this FFs. I don't have any data. This is a wiped chip. This is not a wiped chip. Some of them have data right at the beginning. Some of them have the data starts on the second page, or whatever you want to call it. So just scroll down. Your data is there. So save that data. And that's all. This is what I said before. And that's all you need to make that, to make yourself a new chip, new key. Yes, I'm gonna rewrite that. All right, so you have it. Very simple. So before I'll go to explaining how to make the key based on the EEprom, I want to show you how to read the same data using Autel. So let me switch the camera again. So basically here, I'm going to disconnect the MBprog. I'm not going to be using it. And I'm going to need to have an adapter. We also sell those. And that's an adapter for Autel. So you connect, instead of MBprog, you connect the adapter. And you connect this programming tool from the Autel. It's upside down, I know that. So I'm going to twist it and connect it. That's about it. So now on Autel, so you have the Autel, you have this thing connected, and I am going to show you how to read this. Let me exit out of this. I don't know what I get. So you go to programmer, because it's programming function. You go accept. Then, of course, it's going to give me a hard time. No, it didn't. Here we go, chip and electronic MCUs, chip reading. This is MCU. This is actually mobilizer. I'm not sure which one is what. I think it was immobilizer. Okay, let's go immobilizer. Okay, we'll go immobilizer, and it's Mercedes-Benz. Now here you want to select the correct one, and the correct one is, it's this view. Okay, so it's this vehicle. It's 256. This line is split. I just had somebody calling me. They try to read the car with 384. I don't know why would they go with 384, but that's what they did. And from what I understand, they ruined the messed up the data on the chip, created a huge issue. I hope they fixed it. In any case, you select the 256 because that's the size of the memory of the chip, and you read the EEprom on the memory. So first you read ID. Okay, you have the ID, and then you go read. Okay, and you have the same data. Also starts with F's, and then you have the actual data a little bit lower. So you can take this file, transfer it to a computer, and connect MBprog, not MBprog, MB Remote Keymaker, as I showed you before, and as I'm going to show you again, and you can create the key. As far as transferring this file to the computer, I'm sure you can figure it out. You better be able to. So I'm going to leave this Autel alone for now. But yeah, you can do Autel. You can do same type of connection to, but different adapter to the X-Horse tool, to the VVDI reader. You will also get the adapter cable, and which you will also connect to the VVDI, to the click and go adapter, EIS, and you get your read within a second. Okay, so now we're going to create a key based off the EEprom.